Now moving on to the second part of the Totelio. Now we're talking about the Handel Sonatas, number 3, the second movement, Allegro. Take a look at measure 9. I assume you have measure numbers. So there's a lot of string crossing here. Make sure your wrist is very, very relaxed and smooth. So do some practice here. Or you can do it backwards. So that section, start with slowly. Then another sequence. And the beginning of it is very sunny. Follow the shape of the line and do a natural crescendo and decrescendo, crescendo and decrescendo, close to the end. Usually music have 4-bar phrases. When you reach the 4th measure, you go a nice taper and finish the phrase nicely.